Stop scrolling, because what you're looking at is not a bus, not an RV. This is BMW's 2026 Motorhome, a machine so futuristic that people are calling it the road-legal private jet. And trust me, once you see the inside, you'll understand why this is already being called the most luxurious motorhome BMW has ever built. Just look at this exterior. BMW didn't just design a motorhome, they designed a statement piece. The front end carries the brand's signature identity, a sculpted aerodynamic nose, ultra-slim LED laser headlights, and a re-engineered grille that blends into the body like moving glass. The body itself sits on a triple-axle, low-slung chassis, giving it a hypercar stance rather than an RV presence. The chrome-finished 26-inch wheels, those are custom-engineered specifically for this model, optimized for both luxury cruising and long-haul touring. And that panoramic windshield, it wraps around the cockpit like the visor of a fighter jet, creating one of the widest viewing angles in its class. BMW calls it the highway penthouse. Honestly, they might be underselling it. Step inside, and the tone shifts from futuristic to fully ultra-luxury. BMW partnered with its flagship design studio to deliver a motorhome interior that competes directly with private jet cabins. Every panel, every trim, every light strip is engineered to immerse you in a space that feels handcrafted. A massive L-shaped sofa dominates the lounge, wrapped in premium leather and lined with ambient LED lighting that you can customize through voice commands. Right across, a retractable smart TV rises seamlessly from the side panel, turning the lounge into a cinematic environment instantly. And then comes the kitchen, not a motorhome kitchen, a full residential grade kitchen. Dual induction stove, stainless steel convection oven, hidden refrigerator, deep sink, and high-gloss cabinetry that reflects the interior lights like polished glass. The floor plan flows smoothly into the rear suite. A full-size bed, overhead storage, ambient ceiling lighting, and a private partition that gives this space the feel of a luxury hotel room. From the stitching to the wood finish, everything screams precision. Now let's talk about the cockpit, the command center. BMW didn't borrow from their cars. They redesigned an entirely new cockpit for long-distance luxury travel. You get a full-width digital dashboard, adaptive driving modes, voice-controlled navigation, and a custom ergonomic seat directly inspired by BMW's performance lineup. Visibility is phenomenal thanks to the wraparound windshield and side-mounted digital mirror displays. And the steering interface blends the minimalism of the i7 with the authority of a touring-class motor coach. This is not just a driving seat. This is BMW telling the RV world what the future of touring should look like. Of course, a motorhome like this sits in a league of its own. Pricing starts deep into the six-figure range, and with customization, it easily climbs into seven figures. But for the people buying this, it's not transportation, it's a lifestyle asset. So here's the fun part. If you own this BMW 2026 motorhome, where would your first road trip be? Tell me in the comments, because I'm reading every single one. And if you want more next-generation luxury RVs, subscribe to Luxoro Homes. Your luxury tour journey starts right here.